Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to start your own blog but don't know where to begin, you are in the right place because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog using one of the easiest platforms out there, which is Wix. Whether you are a beginner or just want a hassle-free setup, Wix has you covered. Now, the first thing is go to the official website, which is going to be www.wix.com. And from here, all you have to do is click this button right here that says create your website. And you would be forwarded to the sign up option. You can use your Google, you can use your Facebook, you can even use your personal or business email, whichever you prefer. Now, once you have successfully created your account here in Wix, you see you can pick the website template that you love. These are going to be some of the best blog website templates. They have different categories like personal blog, food and travel, news and business, arts, fashion and beauty, sports and wellness, and podcast. So I leave the discretion to you. Now, are you referring to a something like maybe a marketing blog so you can earn a little bit of money on the side? If you wanted to test waters checking the template, you might want to do so. And here you can also check the responsiveness on different devices such as mobile, because most of the time people are into mobile, so you might want to check that out. You can always go to the desktop version easily by switching on these icons. And if you feel that this is going to be the template that you can start with, all you have to do is click on the edit this site button. Just wait for it while Wix is, as of now, there's going to be a problem, but let's head back and search for another template. Now, after doing so, you might want to put in some details about your blog site. You don't have to worry because AI is one of the handy features that could help you create some content across your entire site. Now, the name of the site is going to be Deep Laughs Blog, or depending on what you wanted. You can simply click on the generate site text. And from here, as you can see, there's going to be a pages and menu here, wherein you can put in a blog, right? And on the blog, right here, if you're happy with it, how it looks, you might want to put in some information here. For example, you can put elements, manage post, and have a quick edit. You see that? Manage post, click on settings. You can create the post list, display, layout, writer name, cover image, and a lot more. All right. So I'll leave all of this information to you. But the thing is, now on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to click on the add elements, and there's going to be an option that says blog. Some templates come with the Wix blog already pre-installed. And again, if you don't have that, click on this section right here. You have the post list large, recent post, category menu, and a lot more. All right. So I leave the option to you. But in this case, I'm going to be choosing this one. Add and drag it here. And this is going to be your first blog. All right. Now, for you to be able to post something here, you see, you can simply click on the quick edit. This is going to be the first blog that we have. All right, so I'm going to put in something like this one right here. Maybe we're going to put it here. You see that? Create a post, manage post. We're going to create a post here. This is going to be our first blog, our first content. Wait for it to load. But what happens is you would be forwarded to the blog editor. Now, you can create a catchy title. I'm not going to make this right now. You see, you can start writing your post here, add images, videos, hashtags, and more. But in this case, I'm going to be putting something like a brand that represents our color. Okay. You see, there's going to be a plus button that says you can add an image. All right. You can upload a media on the site files upload a media using all of these options. You can upload from your computer, Wix account, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, Dribbble, and a link. Now I'm gonna upload something here and add to page. All right, wait for it. You see, there's going to be another add option here. You can add video, file, GIF elements like a divider, button, slider, poll from the web, HTML code, Wix monetized with AdSense, and SoundCloud. So we're gonna deal with this for another video, but we're just gonna create a content here. If you don't know how to create a content, you don't have to worry because there are so many AI tools that you can use to refine your articles. Of course, you can use ChatGPT. All right. For example, this is going to be the content that you're going to create. I'm going to click on stop for now. I'm going to copy this one. And for you to be able to make sure that this is not a plagiarized content, all right, you might want to use some other third-party platform like you can use Grammarly, one of the best platforms that you can use to try to work with the plagiarized content. And of course, you can also use the Hillbot, which is one of the best for you to have like AI detector, paraphraser, grammar checker, and of course, plagiarism checker. All right, so these are going to be your options. Now, heading towards the blog, and I'm going to post. Now you can simply click on start writing here, but I'm gonna post what I have copied from the ChatGPT, and on the again on the title, the catchy title is gonna be something like this. And again, you can put in the image again. Now, once you are happy with that, all I have to do is click on publish. All right. Now you see when your option is gonna be your blog has been published, you can create new posts again. But if you go to the more actions, you can create posts from template. You can add a writer, import post. You also have the option for the blog reports and blog settings. If you click that, so you can have more control over your blog. All right, you can create a blog kind of subscription. All right, because this will allow visitors to subscribe to your blog for updates. You can add a subscription from the members only or for everyone here, right? All right. You can have the blog categories as well. You can edit, you can customize how your categories are displayed in Google and social media sites, and the blog tag as well. If you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save and publish your website. And that's it for today's video. By following these steps, you'll have a professional blog running that allows you to share content, engage with readers, and grow your online presence. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.